Hello guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys on how you can be consistently making daily profit from the market. Okay, now let me tell you, crypto market is no longer what it used to be in the past. Okay, on daily basis people are losing money. The market is wiping away millions of dollars from the market is being liquidated. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you the two major ways where you can focus your attention right now. Okay, so as you can see, today SRP removed 20%, YBTC removed 9%, and you can see that ETH have removed 16%. This is so on and so forth. The market is going very deep. Solana have minus 17%. How are we going to be consistent in making profit and not to lose our money? So since the deep is have continued to go more deeper, the best way for you is to focus on arbitrage. Okay, the P2P market is a place where if you don't want to lose money, you can focus there. And remember, I have a class where I teach people how to be profitably making consistent profit in P2P market, okay, and coin arbitrage. So make sure you join my class. So in this video I will be sharing with you this particular formula on how to make money in the crypto market. So whenever you see market removing this kind of thing, which is this kind of chart which you just saw here, whenever you see market remove this kind of chart, okay, over here you can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, whenever you see this kind of thing going on in the market, the best thing for you to do is to buy the dip. Okay, buying the dip now is that over here, since the market went this kind of dip, you can invest, let's say this is dollars, you can buy 20 USDT from this particular angle, from here now. Okay, from this particular place you can buy with 20 USD. Okay, and immediately this, because over here this market will bounce back to this particular place. So when in the next few hours or days, when the market will, I'm talking about people that doesn't have much. If you have much, you can buy with 200, 1,000, 5,000, $10,000. Immediately it bounce back. You will see that this your 20 USDT over here will come back to let's say 30 USD. But if you start this particular trade with, let's say, 200, you will find out that you will come back at the end of this dip. The market will be giving you around 300 USDT. So this kind of dip that you just witnessed here is a very good way to enter the market. So what we are actually doing now for newbies, if you take a look at here, you will see that our this thing have crossed the Bollinger Band, while this stochastic RSI is now at 0, and normal RSI 14 in number is now at 18. It's a very good place where you can enter the market. Okay, so what am I trying to say? If actually you for those of you that you have been seeing how the market is going, keeping money in the market now is the market is so volatile, so you can focus on buying the dip. When you buy the dip here at this particular place where it is now, in the next 8 hours from now or 10 hours from now, you will find out that the market have retraced back. Okay, now when the market retraces back, that is a very good profit. Okay, so now let's say you are entering this market at this particular place with 2000 USDT. Okay, when this market returns back from your 2000 USDT, you should be expecting 3000 something. Okay, let's say 3000. There is no way you are not gonna be seeing 3000 USDT. That is a very good. Remember in the market, the bigger money you have, the bigger capital, the bigger profit. Okay, so and if you take a look at here, you will find out that this particular dip is continuing to dip. So once you see a very good dip, maybe one thing or the other have happened that caused this particular dip. But one thing I'm trying to tell you is that this market will surely recover. Okay, it will recover from this particular place where you are seeing it to somewhere here. Okay, so when it comes back to somewhere here, even if it want to continue going deep, before it will now go more deeper. And I actually want to tell you that bear market is ahead of us. In no distant time, this particular SRP you are seeing at 1.7767 now will go below $1 because the bear is ahead of us. So for you to be consistent, you have to join the moving train. Join my class, okay, so I can teach you coin arbitrage and you can focus there where you will not lose money. And the second one, which it will be in my next video, we're gonna talk about it, is P2P. Okay, with 200 USDT you can start P2P and you will be making a minimum of 4 to 5 USDT on daily basis. Okay, so in my next video I'm gonna be talking about this, but for now make sure that you are not focusing much of your attention in longer time, because consistent profit is the key. If you are being consistent in profit, then you can now talk about long time investment. Okay, because if you have not been consistent in making daily profit, when you have some challenges, you might be forced to take your long-term investment. You might be forced to touch the money, and by so doing, you are going to lose your money. Okay, so this is where I will stop for now. In my next video, I'll be talking about the P2P market. Okay, so remember, in this kind of trades, we give daily signals on it so you can make more profit. Okay, thank you. Peace out.